Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create two timeline actions using Roezan. First is how to send SMS using Roezan, and the second is how to add a contact to list using Roezan. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. You just have to open your timeline. So let's navigate to the timeline section. Open your timeline. And from this page, you just have to click on Create Action from the upper right hand side. So the first timeline action that we'll be creating is sending SMS using the Roezan integration. So for this specific action, we will be setting it 2 hours before the event starts. And then for the who, we will be targeting all registrants. And from the what, let's look for Roezan. And again, we will be creating the send SMS action. So let's select that. And from here, you can personalize the SMS that you will be sending out. We will be adding the first name of the registrant. So just click on the personalization icon and let's look for first name. So this value will pull the first name of the registrant, and we'll also be sending them their join link. So just click on the icon again and then click on join URL. So this will pull the unique join link for each registrant. So once you're satisfied with everything, just click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added that action to your timeline. So 2 hours before your webinar starts, this SMS will be sent out to all registrants. So the next action that we'll be creating is adding a contact to list. So let's click on create action again from the upper right hand side. So for this specific action, we'll be setting it before the webinar starts again, but this time I'll be setting it an hour before the webinar. And again, we will be targeting registrants. And let's look for Roezan again. And we will be adding contact to list. So let's click on this drop down and look for the list. There you go. So once you are satisfied with everything, again, you just have to click on create at the bottom and we'll get the confirmation that the action has been successfully added. So for this video, we've created two timeline actions with Roezan. We have created a timeline action to send SMS to all registrants, and we have also created an action to add them to a list an hour before the webinar starts. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you.